Hi, and welcome to Brizy. Today I'll show Brizy's white label options. You can make Brizy look just like it's yours, so when your client logs in into his WordPress admin, he will not use Brizy to edit his website, but use your website builder. This is usually used by design or web agencies that want to project a more professional image by branding the software stack they use, in this case the Brizy website builder, as their own. Let's get into it. I'll jump into my WordPress admin, and before I show you how to activate the white label options and what those are, let me walk you through where you'll find the Brizy branding inside your WordPress dashboard. If we go to pages, you'll see that all the pages were built with Brizy, so you'll see Brizy here. When you edit a page, you get this button where you can continue to edit with Brizy, or the default one that says edit page with Brizy. Inside the builder as well, you'll notice here up top in the link there is a variable Brizy edit. And also here in the left sidebar, we have two links about Brizy that bring you to our website and the support and docs link. Let's go back to dashboard. And another important place, of course, where you'll see the Brizy branding and the Brizy plugins basically is here in the plugins. You'll see the Brizy plugin and the Brizy Pro plugin. So we'll need to hide those as well. Let's go to the dashboard and let's enable the white label options. And what you'll want to do is to remember this link. We also have it in our documentation on our website. Delete index.php and write $Brizy _enable _white label WL equals true and hit an enter. And what this will do is activate the white label page, and you'll see it here, white label. These are the options that you can change to make and brand Brizy as your own. I've created a short example that I want to show you here. Let's say we have a company named Craft. You'll want to change the logos here as well. You can upload images in the media library and copy paste the link or upload it from here. The support and about URLs, let's push one to YouTube and one to Google, just for fun, but remember you'll need to change this with your own, and then hit save. And immediately you'll notice that you can't see Brizy here in the sidebar anymore because your company's Craft is already there. If we go to pages, you'll see that all the pages are created with Craft. If you want to continue to edit a page, you'll continue to edit the page with the Craft builder. The Craft edit link here at the top, and also our about and support links, that one will push you to Google and one will bring you to YouTube. But of course, you'll put your own links there. Let's go to dashboard. And what I want to show you is that the plugins are still here right now because we have the white label options activated. But once you log out, this white label page with all these options will disappear. So basically, these options are visible only in your current session. If you log out, they'll disappear from the sidebar and you'll have to access the Brizy enable white label link again in order to fiddle with the options and reset it if you want. And let's do that right now. So basically, if we log out and log back in, all the white label options are here. Notice that the white label in the sidebar here disappeared already, so you can't access that until you bring back that link again. And if you go to plugins, you'll see that the Brizy plugins also disappeared from this view. If you want to update them, you'll need to do the link trick again. And that's basically it, right? If you want to reset at some point your branding and bring the Brizy branding back, all you need to do is, after the WP admin link, put a question mark, Brizy underscore enable underscore WL equals true, and that will bring the white label option back. You'll hit this reset button. Yes, I'm sure. And you'll hit a save. And at this point, if we log out and log back in, everything is back to square one. You see the Brizy branding, you see the plugins, and that's it. These are the white label options from Brizy that will let you project a more professional image to your clients by branding the builder as your own. Thanks for being here. If you found this video informative, please hit that subscribe and that like button. It helps us a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.